hoodie.
Alright, here we go again. I'm leaving this damn Waggles, and this jackass comes up to me and tells me how much he liked my motorcycle. Well, thank you there, buddy. But he continues to go on and say if he had a motorcycle, he would have to go ahead and pick out his coffin to go along with it. I said, come on, man. Do you think I want to hear that bullshit?
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. All right. Ride with me, ride with me. Hey. Lappydog. I'm gonna sing the song for you. It's Lappy. You're gonna learn a thing or two. You're having fun now with me and all the gang. Learning from each other while we do our thing.
Now, I hate to be rude, but anybody that knows me knows that I say what's on my mind, and sometimes I say some things that's a little bit inappropriate and raw. I told him, man, hey, step back, dude. Don't bring me no damn negativity on about my bike, man. Damn it, do you think that's what somebody wants to daggum hear? And you talking about you might as well pick out a coffin to go along with your bike? Man, get the hell out of here talking to me about that bullshit, man. You're gonna make me cuss you out. Woo! They gonna bring out the Jackson side of me, boy. Talk to me about no damn stuff like that. I don't know what it is about people. Look at that curve in that dark side tire. Good God Almighty. I took that like a champion. I don't know what it is about people, and they see a motorcycle, they want to tell you about somebody that had an accident, or when they had an accident, or how dangerous it is, and this and that and the third. What is the attraction to it? If you don't want to ride one, then don't. But I'm here to tell you, you come up on the wrong damn one talking about that crap to me, because I'm going to let you have it. Buddy, you can daggum hurt yourself getting out of bed. And if you keep walking up to me telling me some shit like that, I'm going to put some damn knots and bumps on your damn head, because I don't like negativity. I don't like it. I don't want it around me. I ain't gonna put up with a whole bunch of it. But what I am gonna do is put a daggum hook on this damn curve on this dark side tire and let y'all know how it feels to me. Woo! Let me get through this little S curve right here. I ain't been on the Dragon with the dark side on the S6B, but I was on the Dragon with the regular motorcycle tire. Here we go, y'all. Lean with it, rock with it. Here we go, y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with this daggum car tire being on here, man. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But that guy kind of put me in a little bit of a bad mood. But riding to work puts me in a good mood. Well, like I said, it's just amazing to me how somebody wants to tell you something like that and you riding on a bike. I know they can be dangerous. You know, you need to stay prayed up and be as careful every time you hear something. Be safe. Be safe. Does anybody ever say be unsafe or do what you do? I mean, I don't think nobody comes out here and wants to just be unsafe. Now, I guess I take that back, because we used to go out here and that crazy, popping willies and all this, that, and the third. I guess that is being unsafe. This kids wilding out, having a good time with their bikes. And thank ye, Lord, for seeing me through those years. Now I got something that can't pop a willie. This I ain't gonna make it do it. And my the thrill has changed into something else. It's not really, I don't get I ain't looking for that thrill of popping willies and snatching and all that kind of stuff on the bike. Now I get more of a thrill on trying to run through a few tanks of gas. How about that part? I'm going to work, y'all. I think I got a song on my heart. Uh-oh. I don't own the rights to this music, but I'm gonna play it. Come on, come on. I've been waiting. Come on.
When my body's shaking,
Anticipation. Baby, I got to move. Them eyes are more. One of them scared shit out of me. I still ain't got him back, but it's coming. Go get this money.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.